1984 911 Carrera Targa in its original finish of Grand Prix white with tan interior. The paint and finish on this car for original is in really, really great shape. It's got a clean Carfax, no accidents. The local PCA member that we're selling this for is also a local doctor. He's been a PCA member for 35 years. He updated the wheels to the RSR look, 8-inch in the front and 9-inch in the back. (1984) is the first year for the Carrera, which has the updated 3.2 liter over the SC's 3.0. A lot of updates went into this engine in the 3.2. Big one comes to my mind is the hydraulic chain tensioners that are done at the factory. No more head stud problems. It also comes with Motronic fuel injection versus the old CIS. Present owner also updated the brakes front and back with boxed arrests, calipers, rotors, brake lines. He also had the Targa top refurbished, new headliner, new seals, recovered, looks great. And he bought this car back in 2019 from a previous owner from PCA who bought it back in 92 with 40-something thousand miles. There's the original option code list. It's unusual. Usually these vehicles of this age, you still don't retain that.
Still retains the original sticker for the paint code, Grand Prix White, P5. We've also got the toolkit, jack, obviously the spare.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode.
The owner of this car has spent over $24,000 in the last 5,000 miles since he bought this car in 2019. The late Tom Charlesworth of Charlesworth Performance out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, did a compression check, pulled the engine, did anything and everything, resealed it, open checkbook. They even did every nut, bolt, washer, re-zinced, marked like the factory. Not an oil leak, no smoke at startup, as you saw. Engine pulls strong in all gears, starts right up, cold or hot. Also, he spent a lot of money on the air conditioning. He upgraded the AC. Also, it's got R134A, an updated compressor, but he also put in a additional condenser. I don't know if you can see it here. It's in the fender well there. The AC blows ice cold even in 90+ degrees. And it looks stunning. the file on the 84 Targa. This is possibly the most sorted 911 of this vintage that I've ever had in 25 years. Carfax is clean, no accidents, no odometer issues, everything's concurrent. There's over 25 to 30 pages of service records back to 1992. Everything that the previous owner did that owned it since 92 up until the present owner when he got it, and he spent a little over $25,000 on this car. Also, it does have a keyless entry that does work. We have 2 or 3 other extra keys that come with it.